Did you know? In 2018, a 7-year-old boy wandered into the Vermont woods and no one noticed. Elias loved exploring. He chased fireflies, built forts from leaves, and the forest felt like home. But curiosity has its price. One wrong step sent him sliding down a muddy ravine into icy, rushing water. The cold stole his strength. Every gasp was swallowed by the roaring creek. Night crept in, and no one could hear him. High above, a raven named Shadowwatch, she had seen everything, and she made a choice. She launched into the trees, wings cutting through twilight like blades. Her cause echoed, guiding the way. Clara, his mother, heard a sound she couldn't explain. She followed it through the dark, tangled forest. At last, she found him, cold, scared, but alive. Shadow watched silently from a nearby stump. No wings, no voice, just instinct. A bird saved a boy. Sometimes the wild world reaches back,